Next on NBC 9 News presents Blizzards with a special guest, Bob Liz, and his two assistants, Julia and Savannah. Tell us, Bob, what you know about blizzards.
A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with winds in excess of 25 miles per hour. 35 miles per hour. Oh yeah, 35 miles per hour, and visibility of less than a quarter mile for more than 3 hours.
So a blizzard has to last 3 hours to be a blizzard?
You are correct, Amanda.
Also, blizzards can occur after snowfall when high winds cause fallen snow to blow around and drift into huge piles of snow. The wind decreases visibility.
Tell us, Bob, how do you keep safe in a blizzard?
Well, as soon as you receive a storm warning, get prepared. Buying milk and bread, you could lose electricity. This includes hot water and heat. So stock up on non-perishable foods, blankets, flashlights, extra batteries, and candles beforehand. Bob, why are you licking a mint? Because it tastes good, and I have coffee breath.
Are there any winds?
Yes, they are deadly.
Deadly?
Yes, deadly. Now, as I was saying, blizzards can cause avalanches in the mountains.
Stop licking that mint. You're grossing me out.
Minty.
A blizzard can create a wind chill effect that can be dangerous. The blowing winds in low temperature can cause frostbite and
Hypothermia.
Hypothermia is a condition where your body loses heat faster than it can produce it. It can be very dangerous, and people have died from this condition.
In 1888, two legendary storms occurred. The schoolhouse blizzard occurred across the Great Plains, stranding children into their schoolhouses. About 235 people died in this blizzard. Many of those were children who tried to walk home from school. If you are located in an area where blizzards occur, you should plan on staying inside. Many times, children playing right outside of their homes have gotten lost in the blinding storm.
Bob, what if you were ever caught in a car during a blizzard? What would you do?
I would stay in the car. Many people have walked in circles because they couldn't see where they were going. It would be much easier for rescuers to find you if you were in a car waiting. Blizzards that occur on the east coast of the United States are known as nor'easters. Because of the Atlantic Ocean, the storm stalls over the coast and can sometimes last for 24 hours, dumping huge amounts of snow.
Again, in 1888, the area was paralyzed, and people were caught in their homes for up to a week. Over 30 people lost their lives in that storm.
So, as you can see, blizzards are pretty serious.
It looks like it's starting to snow.
No, we're doomed! It's just a light snowfall, guys! Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.